Hey everyone, I'm Liam Eagle. I'm the editor here at the Web Host Industry Review. I'm in Chicago getting ready for our April 2011 WHIR networking event. This evening's event is going to be over at a cool little bar here in Chicago called Rocket. Now, that's not R-O-C-K-E-T like the awesome Def Leppard song. It's R-O-C-K-I-T like the super awesome Herbie Hancock song. Now, that was like one of the first songs that ever had like record scratching in it, and it is still to this day the most awesome song to breakdance to. And Herbie Hancock was born here in Chicago, so I'm assuming that's not a coincidence. It's like an homage to Herbie, you know? Anyway, I'm getting a little off topic. We're going to go over to the event. I'm going to grab some of our sponsors. I'm going to take them out, and together they and I are going to rock it. And it is my sincere hope that you, the viewer, will rock it also. I'll see you there.
Hey Liam, what a great opportunity here in Chicago and another venue that we have. Hats off to you and the WHIR team overall. I just want to say on behalf of RioRay, we are absolutely rocking. There's so many great installations as well as customers that we have as hosting opportunities out in the audience overall. And I also want to say to the group overall that what we're doing today is second to none. Our 10 and 20 gigabit activities, the throughput, the technology that we have, we by a factor rival all of our competition 3 to 4x. What we're doing today, I have to just say a huge hats off to all of our engineers, but more important, we are protecting this audience. We're protecting the community. The cyber attacks are more prevalent than ever before. We're seeing in the neighborhood of 5,500 to 6,000 per day. We want to make sure that anybody and everybody that's out there, give us a call, give us an opportunity to see them, because we know how to protect you, we know how to protect your clients, we know how to make money with you as far as having you in our infrastructure and being a fabric of your ecosystem overall in your network.
It's really easy to add to your bottom line with payment processing. I mean, business class hosting is getting cheaper and cheaper. You can get business class hosting for $5.95, and if you're getting business class hosting, you're selling something. So you can offer payment processing as a bundle with that business class hosting. Instead of making $1, $2 per customer, you can even a non-processing merchant can make you $6 to $7 a month, and it only goes up from there. I mean, you can be making some serious money off of payment processing, and it's something that your customers need anyway.
IPv6 turns out to be a really huge issue. Obviously, all the IPv4 addresses have been given out at this point, and they're starting to decline in terms of the availability, and now it's time to turn our attention to something that actually works. We released our Parallels Plus Panel 10 product last week with IPv6 support, and now that adds to what we've done for our Virtuoso support with IPv6 and what we're doing with our Parallels Automation product. We've basically got the entire suite for IPv6 transition from IPv4.
What we're excited about at Pillar Data Systems is our new release of R5, which will be coming out next month. And it introduces storage domains to our Axiom One storage platform. Basically what storage domains allows you is to have virtual axioms or storage platforms within our system. So you could use that for user groups, either internally cloud for departments or externally for customers. You could use it for application segregation, business apps, email development. or you could use it actually for protocol segregation, where you want specifically iSCSI, fiber channel, basically separating an Axiom into virtual storage platforms or virtual Axioms. So we're excited about that. We're launching that here in the next month, and we think it'll be, we developed it specifically for the hosting and MSP market to help them provide their customers better storage solutions.
So thanks for inviting us here, first of all. Digital, being the largest independent owner and operator of data centers in the U.S. and really around the world, we're focused on providing solutions that are flexible for the various different verticals. And the co-location hosting vertical is integral to this, since they're picking up a lot of it. And the co-location hosting vertical is bifurcated differently depending on how customers want to buy. Some customers want to buy a finished, ready-to-go product. Some customers want to do it themselves, where digital's ready to stand by and provide capital for customers who need capital, where then the customer can go build their own using our capital. Digital has probably 30 projects under construction in the U.S. at any given time, and a handful of them in Europe, and obviously Singapore and in other markets that we're working on right now. So the first thing is a conversation. Is what we have under construction work for you? If it does, great. If it doesn't, there are the opportunity for us to provide financing and the ability for you to go out and build on your own using our capital. Us coming in, acquiring dirt, the land, building the shell, building the infrastructure to your specification. It's pretty straightforward and simple. It's really about what the client wants and what the client is after. If they want a certain density, if they want a certain watts per square foot, if they want a certain design criteria, all that is really up to the client. The capital is really the key thing. We're happy, ready, standing by to provide the capital for someone. It just starts with a conversation with one of our executives.
Okay, so Arbor Networks, I think we'd like to think as we have set the standard for IP flow-based traffic analysis, monitoring, mitigation of network threats such as DDoS, botnets, traffic, and such, and of course reporting, great reporting. And we have solutions for small and large enterprises, ISPs, tier ones, data centers, you name it, we have solutions for them. We have network security solutions for everyone in the business there. Yeah.
All right, well, that about wraps it up for this video, this event. I'd like to thank everyone who came out to the event for making it a really awesome evening. I'd like to thank our sponsors, certainly, for making it possible in the first place. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in and watch the video. Listen, May 2011, if you're going to be in Toronto, come out to our great event there. I think it's May 19th, and we'll see you there. Thanks again. I think I just got served.